and welcome to the L-Acoustics stand at ISE 2024. We're in Hall 7, stand 150, so please drop by and see us. This year we're showcasing a couple of our new products, the X6i and the X8i, as well as the new install add-ons for the L2 series as well. So the X6i and the X8i both fit very nicely into our install loudspeakers. So obviously in recent years we've introduced the Socker, the X4i is an install version as well. They all come with very different rigging to the rental side, so install specific rigging. We have the ability with some of the products to install them on the wall, install them in the wall. So from an install perspective, that's obviously a big advantage. For the brand new products, the X6i and the X8i, NMK will have some demo products in stock very soon. So watch this space, there will be some demos around the GCC in the coming months. We're also conducting demos all week in Hall 8. So please have a look on the L-Acoustics website in the ISE section, and you'll find the ability to register for that there as well. Or come and see us at the stand and we can obviously guide you through that as well.